Hi, this is Shravani from SVC. Today, we're going to make a comparison between OLAPs and OLTPs. Online Analytical Processing Systems OLAPs and Online Transaction Processing Systems OLTPs. These terms are often confused for one another. So what are the key differences and how do you choose the right one for your situation? As we all know, we live in a data-driven age where the organizations that use data to make smarter decisions and respond faster to changing needs are more likely to come out on the top. You can see this data at work in new service offerings such as ride sharing applications as well as the powerhouse systems that drive retail like e commerce and in store transactions. Within the data science field, there are two types of data processing systems: online analytical processing, OLAP, and online transaction processing, OLTP. The main difference is that one uses data to gain valuable insights, while the other is purely operational. However, there are meaningful ways to use both systems to solve your daily data problems. The question here isn't which to choose, but how to make the best use of both processing types for your situation. So, what is OLAP? Online Analytical Processing, OLAP, is a system for performing multi-dimensional analysis at high speeds on large volumes of data. Typically, this data is from a data warehouse, data mart, or some other centralized data store. OLAP is ideal for data mining, business intelligence, and complex analytical calculations, as well as business reporting functions like financial analysis, budgeting, as well as sales forecasting, among others. The core of most OLAP databases is the OLAP cube, which allows you to quickly query, report, and analyze multidimensional data. What's a data dimension? It's simply one element of a particular dataset. For example, sales figures might have several dimensions related to region, time of year, product models, and more. Online Transactional Processing, OLTP. So what is OLTP? OLTP enables the real-time execution of large numbers of database transactions by a large number of people, typically over the internet. OLTP systems are behind many of our everyday transactions, from ATMs to in-store purchases to hotel reservations. OLTP can also drive non-financial transactions including password changes and text messages. OLTP systems use a relational database that can do the following: process a large number of relatively simple transactions. These could usually be insertions, updates, and deletions to data. They also enable multi-user access to the same data while ensuring data integrity. How cool is that? Support very rapid processing with response times measured in milliseconds. They also provide indexed datasets for rapid searching, retrieval, and querying. These are also available 24/7 and throughout the year, that is 365 days, with constant incremental backups. Let's look at an overview of a brief comparison of their features. OLAPs and OLTPs. Their characteristics include operational processing and informational processing, correspondingly. OLAPs have a transactional based orientation, while OLTPs have an analysis based orientation. OLAPs users include DBAs, clerks, database professionals, etc. On the other hand, OLTP users are mostly based on knowledge workers. OLAP's functionalities include your everyday day-to-day operations, while OLTP's functions include long-term for decision support. OLAP's database design includes an ER model that is usually application oriented. OLTP's database design include a star or snowflake orientation. These are generally subject oriented. OLAP's access provides you with read and write, while the OLTPs are strictly read access. OLAPs focus on data in, while OLTPs focus on information out. Unit of work. OLAPs have short and simple transactions, while the OLTPs, on the other hand, have a very complex query. OLAPs number of records are usually in tens, while the OLTP's number of records accessed are in millions. Number of users for OLAPs are thousands approximately, while the OLTP's number of users are just in hundreds. The DB size or the database size for OLAPs is GB to higher order GB, while the OLTP's DB size is greater or equal to TBs. OLAP's priority is usually high performance and availability, while the OLTP's priority is high flexibility and end user autonomy. OLAP's metric is based on transaction throughput, while the OLTP's metric is query throughput, response time, etc. So these are the featural discriminations between OLAPs and OLTPs. Thank you.